Today we're going to take a look at the new Relife's latest 210 portable soldering iron. Compared to traditional soldering irons, it is more compact and better suited for on-site repairs and similar tasks. Fits nicely in the hand. It uses a wide variety of universal soldering tips, this one featuring a small chisel blade. Maximum power is 60 watts. Simply plug it in with USB-C, and it ranges from 80 to 420 degrees Celsius. With the simple click of the arrow buttons, you can adjust it up and down fairly rapidly. And although it's a compact design, it still features auto sleep temperature compensation and rapid heat recovery. Let's conduct a temperature test. If we use a temperature probe and set it to 350, the most commonly used temperature for repairs, we can see that it measures to average around 340 Celsius. There's a slight discrepancy compared to the set temperature at 350. Of course, since it doesn't have a dedicated main unit to control temperature variance, this slight discrepancy can be considered acceptable. Let's test the control sensor heat recovery ability using some water. As you can see, when placed under water, it quickly recovers from 26 Celsius. This indicates that the heat recovery capability is flawless. It has this nice little stand where you can store it. Let's perform some tinning of the CPU joints using this iron. For those of you that are aware, the CPU area of the motherboard is quite difficult to work with as far as the heat control. If you don't have enough heat, you could potentially pull pads. But as you can see, this soldering iron lives up to the task and is able to complete the removal of the solder and underfill. This makes it perfect for on-site repairs as well as handling more normal daily repairs. Here we're working on another area that typically takes a lot of heat, and we're able to quite simply tin it, and it seems to work nicely. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I think for a small soldering iron that can fit in your pocket, it's definitely something to consider. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.